Boom, there you go. Thanks, Apple. And then the next day, brightness. Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So today, the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's open it up. I'm dying to know. Here we go. This is Beta, a different countertop. Oh man, they have the pull tab. And there it is. Titanium case, orange loop, 49 millimeter, size medium. Man, I hope I ordered the right size. You know, I must say I'm real excited to open this because it's fixing a lot of things that I did not like about previous watches. So as soon as we open up the box, oh, that looks nice. That looks really nice. Nice wallpaper here on the packaging. Great job, Apple. The whole mountain thing, little pamphlet, that's new. We'll look at that later. So we have box number 1, the watch, and box number 2, the band. So I ordered this on release day. So when was that? September something? September 7th? Which one should we open first? I'm thinking, oh, we don't need that box. Toss that aside. Oh, that was loud. Sorry. Yeah, let's open the band later. I really like that wallpaper. You know, if we zoom in, we can just pretend that we're in the mountains. That's very nice. Designed in Apple with the longitude and latitude. That's pretty cool. And there is the watch. Wow. Okay, initially, yes, it looks bigger and it seems to weigh a bit. Well, let's turn it on, shall we? And then here, charging cable. Okay, they've switched from plastic to paper. I like, oh, and it's braided now. Okay, that is different than the last charging cable that I had. They don't want you to repackage that, do they? You have to, am I wrong, or do you have to tear it out of there? Ah, here we go. Yeah, you have to break the packaging. What is that, 3 feet? That's pretty good. Let's take a look at the band. There's a nice little tear thing there. Really nice packaging, Apple. And then we have instructions on how to use the band. So it shows you how to slide it in and loop it over. Well, I'm curious if this is going to fit. So before I even set it up, I think we should, oh, it does. You know, a lot of people said that it has kind of an elastic fit, and yeah, they're right. So it depends how you want to loop it up. Wow, that is so shiny. So I'm gonna try to just put that right there. This one will go right there. And, well, sorry, Apple Watch 6. We'll see you again soon. This is what everyone wants to see, right? How does it look on the wrist? Okay. And then this will just loop back in there like so. Well, I love the orange. I can't say that enough. You can't go wrong with orange. Hence the shirt, my other orange watch band. If I could, I would order an orange Oura ring. And if my wife ever wants to buy me a new wedding ring, yes, please, orange. Close up on the overhead. Now we need to pair it. So as far as getting that band off, not too bad. So it looks like I got the right size. The size of my wrist, just under 7. Ah, I left my iPhone downstairs. I'll be right back. Now, one of the really nice things about the Apple Watch is the onboarding. So as soon as I got my Apple Watch next to my iPhone, boom, it just says continue. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Yes, it wants me to set up the watch. That was easy. So do I want to set up for myself or a family member? As much as my son would like this, I think I'll let him choose his own color. Set up for myself. Oh, I love this part. The little galaxy thing. And your Apple Watch is paired. That was easy. Make this your new Apple Watch. Okay, sure. And connecting your Apple Watch. Now this part's gonna take a few minutes, so we're gonna fast forward. But meanwhile, I'm gonna take some fun photos of the Apple Watch. So the orange button on the side is gorgeous. I love it. Sign into your account. This is gonna take a bit. You know, I'm gonna have to, and yes, always close those knives. I'm just gonna rock this on my left wrist for a while. Yeah, that's pretty comfy. It is, yeah, it's loose. I love the orange. They could not have picked a better color. So thank you, Tim Cook. I wish it were Johnny Ive that I could give credit to, but love the orange. What do you call it? The orange tones? The orange tones? Oh, an Apple Watch passcode. Optimized charge limit. Oh, this is new. If you see an open charge ring, Apple will charge to an optimized limit. This limit adapts to your daily usage and preserves your battery lifetime. That's really cool. It says right there if you're in a wheelchair or not. That's really cool. Turning on a wheelchair will use pushes instead of steps for activity tracking. Very nice, Apple. Safety, emergency SOS, crash, backtrack, awesome, continue, cellular setup. Okay, here we go, the fun part, the action button, that little orange thing right there. Choose what you like to do, workout, stopwatch, waypoint, backtrack, dive, flashlight. I'm gonna have to say workout. Depth, the app can automatically open underwater and temperature. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna say open depth when submerged because, I mean, I'm not a diver, but when I go swimming, diving safety, underwater activities are risky. So basically get certified before you go diving with it. We have what's new in OS, Apple Bop user guide, health and fitness, done. Let's go look at this outside. This will be fun. Here we are, first look outside. The orange is still orange. Yeah, it kind of sits on the wrist slightly different than my Apple Watch 6 or the Apple Watch 7. The screen does appear to be flatter. I'll do a full comparison after I wear it for a few days, or at least a few hours. That orange band is very orange. I love it. How many hours did I sleep last night?
Interesting question.
Did you hear how loud that was? That was really loud. If you just slide back, and there it is. That's how bright it is. Now let me kill all the lights in the room. So there's the normal watch face brightness, slide it back, and there's that red glow. So picture yourself in the mountains. So here you are in the mountains. Okay, that's just the packaging, but still, you're in the mountains. It's late at night. You need to see the time. Boom, there you go. Thanks, Apple. And then the next day, brightness. One of their caveats, even with this awesome braided cable, is you cannot update the watch unless you're at 50%. So you kind of get used to the watch band there. You kind of have to like, there we go. And then you'll hear this kind of cool sound of the loops coming off. Okay, same charging sound. So we're at 89% and I haven't charged it since it was unboxed. When it synchronized my old account, you know, from my Apple Watch 6, not only did it back up everything, it even kept track of the apps that I was viewing on my old watch before the upgrade. How cool is that? I think that's pretty cool. You're gonna wanna go to General, Software Update, and Installing. Do not restart. Okay, I want Apple. Guess I can take this off. So while that updates, you can see the size difference. It's considerably bigger. Even if I had the Apple Watch 7, I don't think I'd show you that because anyone who has the Apple Watch 7 doesn't need to upgrade Oh, I forgot that I turned off all the lights in the room. Ah, that's better. Love that. It's kind of it's not a soft orange, it's more of a metallic orange. And the same color on that. And the magnet, quite strong. Whoa. Okay, I need to fix my chair. There we go. Okay. Quick lighting test. Get all the toys in order. Okay. Lighting check. Sit up tall. Got the Crush shirt on. Yeah. I think that's pretty bright. Show the box. Okay, second lighting test. And audio test. Check 1, check 2. Lose the glasses. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So today, a new watch, which is pretty cool because I just recently unboxed the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and then this thing was just delivered. Let's open up the Apple Watch Ultra. Yeah, or is it the Apple Watch 8 Ultra? Or is it the Apple Watch Pro? Yeah, let's crack her open.